Here I have VIVO Y01, and today I'm going to show you how to set this device up. So firstly you have to select preferred language. Let's select, I'll just stay with English. Tap start. Then select your location. Tap next. Then agree with user agreement. Tap next. Then agree with privacy policy, privacy terms. Tap next. Then agree with privacy terms once again. Then tap next. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if you don't have any opened Wi-Fi network, you can just set up your device offline and connect to the Wi-Fi later. Then set up date and time. Then you have Google services, just disable everything here. Tap accept. Then you can set up unlock method, but you can also just skip this step and do this anytime later in settings. Then you can enable automatic system updates, or you can just install them manually, and your device is ready to be used. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.